Good morning, students. I am Dr. Chavi Saxena of Computer Science and Engineering Department of Arya College of Engineering and IT Jaipur. Today in this video we are going to discuss on looping. Here looping is a set of statements that the user wants to execute repeatedly. Statements in a program are executed one after the other, but sometimes it is required to execute it repeatedly. If and this condition is known as looping. Loop statements are used to repeat the execution of the statements or blocks. Iterations of a loop, the number of times the body of a loop is executed. Basically, there are two types of loop structure: entry controlled loop and exit controlled loop. In an entry controlled loop, the condition is tested before each iteration to check if loop should occur. And for the exit controlled loop, condition is tested after each iteration to check if loop should continue. Here is a flow diagram for that. See the conditional, as we have learned in the flow charts, that diamond is for checking condition. So here in the entry control loop, the condition is checked at the beginning, and if it is true then the statements will execute, and if it is false it comes outside. But in the exit control loop, first the statements are executed, and then the diamond box is there for checking the condition, and if it is true then again the statements will execute, and if it is false then it will go out. Here is the basic difference. Now the types of loops. There are basically three types of loops: while loop, do while loop and for loop. While loop, it has a loop condition only that is tested before each iteration to decide whether to continue or terminate the loop. The body of a while loop will execute 0 or more times. It depends on the condition. Here is a syntax. You can see that while condition. While means till the condition is true, and if the condition is true then only the set of statements will execute. If the condition is false then the loops terminates. This is the entry controlled loop. While loop is a entry controlled loop. You can see here that flow chart. First the decision is made, the condition is checked. If it is true then only the statements will execute, and again the condition is checked and the statement will execute, and if the condition is false then the loop terminates. We can see now an example. Int I is equal to 0. What we initialize, that I is equal to 0 while I is less than 3. जब yes, in our first case I is equal to 0, I is less than 3, printf hello. I plus plus, now I is 1, yes it is also less than 3, then printf hello. I plus plus, I is equal to 2, here also it is less than 3, then the printf statement will execute. Now I plus plus means I is equal to 3, which is not less than 3. So the while loop terminates, and the output is here that we have printed hello 3 times for I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1 and I is equal to 2. Now the second loop, do while loop. Do while has a loop condition only that is tested after each iteration to decide whether to continue with the next iterations or terminate the loop. You can see the syntax here that do means execute the statements, whatever the statements are there, and after executing the statement, while condition is there for checking the condition that the do will execute the statements or not. Here you can see in a flow diagram that first the set of statements will execute and then the condition is checked, and if it is true then the set of statements will execute, and if it is false then it will come out. The do while loop is a exit controlled loop. Here is an example. Int I is equal to 0, do. To do, there is no condition to check. The control moves inside the do part and it will execute the printf statement hello. I plus plus I is equal to 1. Now the while condition is checked. I is less than 3. Yes. Again it will check, it will execute the printf statement. I plus plus I is equal to 2. Again it will print the printf statement, and then I is equal to 3. Now the while condition becomes false and the loop terminates. Here also the output is 3 times hello printed for I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1 and I is equal to 3. The basic difference between the do while loop and the while loop is that while loop executes only if the condition is true, but the do while loop executes at least one time whether the condition is false. See here in the example, if I is equal to 5, let us consider an example. If I is equal to 5, do statement enters and printf hello will be executed. I plus plus 5, from 5 it will go to 6, but the condition is while I is less than 3. Now I is 6, it will terminates the loop, but at least one time the do statement will executed. Now the for loop. For loop has 3 parts. Initializer is executed at start of a loop. It initializes the value from where the loop starts. Second, loop condition is tested before iteration to decide whether to continue or terminate the loop. The condition is given and it will be tested for the execution of the code. And third, increment is executed at the end of each loop iteration. That is the ending point from till where the loops executes. Syntax for initialize, condition and incrementer. There is a semicolon between all three, then the statement or the block of statements will be executed. Flow diagram. Initialization occurs at once, then the condition. If the condition is true, then the statement will execute, and then increment will occur, and then again it will go to check the condition, and if it is false then the loop terminates. Here is an example. For I is equal to 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus. Here all three are given at the same place in the for loop, where in do while and while loop the 3 points are at different positions. Here I is equal to 0, printf hello. I plus plus I is equal to 1, which is less than 3, printf hello. Then I plus plus again I is equal to 2. Yes, the condition is true because I is still less than 3. Then printf hello. I plus plus, that means now I is equal to 3. The condition is false because it is equals to 3 and our loop works till the value of I is less than 3. Now the loop terminates and the output will be 3 times hello. Thank you students. This is all about looping.